now I love Nandos and I love chicken wings, so in this video I'm going to show you how to make Nandos style smoked chicken wings. All right, now we're going to get started by setting our barbecue up. We're going to be using the vortex method today, which is really only suitable for kettle style barbecues. So we'll take our cooking grate off, get a couple of firelighters going, then we'll get our charcoal chimney on top and fill it with either lump charcoal or briquettes. All right, so we've got about 10 minutes before that charcoal is going to be ready, so we'll use that time to season our chicken wings. We're just using some wingettes and drumettes today, and I'm going to season them with my garlic goals rub. If you don't have that, salt, pepper, garlic will do the trick nicely. It's not going to matter too much as we're going to be saucing them later on, but for now, we're just going to give these a nice generous coat in my garlic goals. All right, now these are seasoned up. We'll come back once this charcoal's ready. All right, now our charcoal's ready. We're going to take our chimney out, put our kettle cone in, and dump the charcoal in there. Now, if you don't have a kettle cone, you can just use 2 charcoal baskets together in the center of the charcoal grate. But now we'll get our cooking grate on. Then we're going to close our lid, make sure both of our vents are wide open, and we'll give our barbecue a few minutes to preheat. All right, now our barbecue is up to temperature. We're going to get these wings on around the outside of that kettle cone. And what we've done here by using the kettle cone is we're creating some really high indirect heat, which is going to help us get them nice crispy chicken wings. All right, and then I'm going to get some smoking wood on as well, going with a beautiful chunk of pecan. I'll get that straight over the fire, and then we'll shut our lid and let these start cooking away. All right, so now our wings are on. The hottest part in that barbecue is going to be right underneath that lid vent, as that's where all the heat is escaping. And because on the blackjack it's got a hinged lid, we're just going to rotate our cooking grate every 10 to 15 minutes. But if you're using a Weber, just rotate the lid every 10 to 15 minutes instead. I reckon this will be around a 40-minute cook, and I'm going to run it at around the 500 Fahrenheit or 260 Celsius mark. So while these wings are smoking away, we're going to make a quick lemon herb mayonnaise to go with them later on. All right, so in our cup, we've got 1 whole egg. I'm just going to add the juice of half a lemon. Then I'm going to add a cup of avocado oil, but you can honestly use any neutral flavored oil. Then a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. And then I'm going to get my stick mixer, get it right to the bottom of the cup. And then we're going to mix that on high. And now what I'm going to do is just continue it on high, but I'm going to slowly lift my stick blender up just so it mixes all that oil through and we get a nice creamy consistency. All right, now I've got that beautiful mayo-like consistency. I'm going to add a good pinch of salt, a little handful of parsley, and a little handful of dill. Then we're going to go back in with the stick mixer and mix it all together. And there you have it. Then you can have a taste, adjust it to your liking, and then we'll put it in the fridge until we're ready to use it later on. All right, and after a bit over 10 minutes, we can rotate our cooking grate. I'm just going to do it around 1/4 of a turn, and then we'll shut our lid and let these keep going, but they are looking good already. All right, we're almost 30 minutes in. These are looking super crispy. They're probably almost done. Just going to give that cooking grate probably 1 final turn, and then I reckon these will be ready. All right, and because these wings are almost done, we're just going to get this sauce ready. We're just going with the Nandos Peri Peri mild sauce. So we're just going to get that in a little bowl, and we'll start brushing that over the wings in a moment. All right, and after about 35 minutes in total, these wings are ready to be sauced. So we're just going to give them a nice little coat on each wing. All right, now we'll close our lid. We'll give that sauce a few minutes to set, then we'll give them another coat and we should be done. All right, and after a few minutes, we're just going to hit them with that sauce again. Now we'll shut our lid, give them a few more minutes, then they'll be done. All right, now our wings are ready. We're going to go ahead and get them out. All right, now how good do these look? Time for a taste. Now, if you wanted to, you could absolutely give those wings a final toss in that sauce. You could use one of the hotter Nandos sauces. It is completely up to you, but that is super tasty and it pairs perfectly with that lemon herb mayonnaise. So there you have it. There's how to make Nandos style smoked chicken wings. Quick and easy to do, super tasty. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask them in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. But for now, that's the end of the video. So thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.